Hey everyone, so in today's video I wanted to tell you all about how to start up a faceless YouTube channel here on YouTube and start making over $10,000 per month. This is coming from somebody who does do faceless YouTube and who actually I have used faceless YouTube channels to change my life. The faceless YouTube channeling has changed my life, guys, okay? The house I'm sitting in currently, I bought with money that I made from YouTube using the faceless YouTube channel method. Now, I want to make it clear that I personally use a hybrid Dylan version, faceless YouTube channel Dylan version, where I show my face and then I also do faceless videos as well. So, and I do that in a way to scale even faster and faster. I have a link below, guys, where I break down, it's like a group chat you can join. And there's a free trial right now, don't worry, it's you know, you can join, and I actually break down, I go into all my numbers. In today's video, I'm just going to talk about basically how it changed my life, and then also I'm going to show you some examples of faceless YouTube channels that you can start right now, and you know, you can learn it all. But again, I have a really long course down below that you can watch, and again, that free trial, you get access to it all. And then I hope you stay in, because you know, I want to guide you along. It doesn't happen overnight. Faceless YouTube channels, it's not, in my opinion, it's not a get rich quick thing at all. It's more like a long-term thing. Like, you can start, I would say realistically, within 3 to 6 months with faceless YouTube channels, you can start making a good couple $1,000 a month. But honestly, within the first 2-3 months, you're probably making $0. Like, it's kind of a boring thing, but it's more like realistic. Like, there's so many get rich quick schemes out there. YouTube faceless channels, guys, it's not one of them. I think you can, I mean, you could make good money. I'll just show you real quick. This is on one of my YouTube channels that I've used to do faceless, the hybrid model, but I still do a lot of faceless videos on this channel. I'll just show you guys. So far this year, what is it, May 4th right now? May the 4th be with you. I don't watch Star Wars. I brought in, what is that? I can't even read it. 56K, 56 grand this year so far. So that's already over 10 grand a month on just one channel. And last year, I brought in over 120K. So that's over, you know, I pretty much average over $10,000 a month on this one channel, and I have several channels. But again, let's dive in, and again, join my group below, and I'll teach you exactly how to set it up. You don't need to have a following. You don't need any experience at all. You don't need to show your face for sure. But join the group chat, because I want to like do check-ins with you guys. I want to give you guys advice, because it's definitely like not easy doing it alone, but it is, you know, possible. So let me sync up my computer here, and I'm just going to walk you guys through how to set up a faceless YouTube channel. There's a lot of different faceless things you can do with faceless YouTube channels. There's one called like, or there's one style called like meditation for sleep. Like you can make a channel like this, sleep meditation, and like this one. This is definitely obviously a faceless YouTube channel. Yellow Brick Cinema, relaxing music. Okay, this is more like music. Like you can make these like 15-minute meditations. This is a great example. This is something that I actually did try to start. This is not faceless, but I mean, honestly, the crazy thing is that like anything could be faceless. This is a faceless video. 15-minute energy cleanse. All right. So what you want to do basically, and I'm assuming you can just basically like buy this sound off like Fiverr or something.
Find your pelvic floor to help you find this area.
And you can write out a script like this one. This is what I would do if I was gonna do a meditation channel. I would write out a script, or honestly, go to a little site called ChatGPT. And this is what I would do, guys. I would say, write out a 10-minute meditation. Let's just do 5 for the sake of this video because we don't need to do too much. Write out a 5-minute meditation for energy cleansing. And literally, this is what you do. You go to ChatGPT, how long is this gonna take? 30 seconds maybe until it finishes writing this out. Guys, this is really juicy content I'm giving you. Remember, you're talking to, this is coming from somebody who has over 1 million subscribers on YouTube. Okay, I have over 1 million subscribers on YouTube. On this channel, I have another channel with over 300,000 subscribers. And again, this video, or doing faceless YouTube channeling, guys, I know it's a little boring, but it's exactly what allowed me to buy my dream house. This is the house that I bought like 2 years ago now. I'm currently sitting in, and this was before the remodel. You can see what it looked like before I remodeled it. And you know, I spent a good amount of money remodeling it. As you can see, it was kind of falling apart. It was definitely falling apart. Maybe I could show you the room I'm sitting in right now. Is this the room I'm in right now? Yeah, no, that's my dining room. This is the room I'm in now. Oh yeah, right here, there's the fireplace. Literally, that's the room I'm in right now. So I bought new windows. New windows were like 25, 30 grand for the whole new windows. Fireplace pretty much looks the same. Painted the walls, obviously. But yeah, I mean, I did a decent amount of remodeling for sure. Put in new floors, new windows, new paint. Had to redo the stucco outside, put in a new fence. I mean, anyways, I'm rambling at this point, but for me, doing YouTube changed my life for sure. And it got me out of the rat race of working all these minimum wage jobs I used to work at. I used to work at Starbucks, Nike. I sold Cutco knives. I did worked at a liquor store, bookstore, worked at busking on the streets for money. I worked at Uber, Lyft, DoorDash. Well, I never really did DoorDash. With Uber Eats, Postmates, Instacart, Walmart, Spark. I've done it all, guys. But anyway, so if I was gonna do this, I would do a 15-minute energy cleanse. If I wanted to make, actually, this is a great idea. And guys, please join the video link below because I go much more in depth, and then I'm gonna guide you through it and give you guys advice. So 15-minute energy cleanse, I would go here, you know, we just told ChatGPT to do it. Then I would go in here, voice actor, and I would definitely set a budget. You don't wanna be spending a bunch of money, especially if you're gonna be doing a bunch of these. $10 voiceover budget, and these guys are good, by the way. Like, these guys, the people on here, even the cheap ones, I've used them before in the past for other projects. They're good, okay? The only reason they're cheap is because they're probably in other countries, but it's like, who cares? I've listened to meditations, and I have a friend who's huge into meditations. She listens to meditations from all over the world, people with super heavy accents, and she's a very American girl. She doesn't, you know, they don't care. It's honestly like, it seems more legit if it is a foreign accent. Anyways, look at this guy. That's a Portuguese voice. I will record an English male voiceover for your company promo. Okay, maybe not the best guy. I don't think I mean, maybe he might have other gigs as well. Sometimes they just say that because they're trying to go after a specific niche. Oh, here we go. They literally do that. $10. 100 words? I think we need more than 100 words. Let's go through and find somebody who will actually do this. Because how many words is this? This is way more than 100 words, right? I want to look up the word count on this. I can just ask him, right? Ask, what is the word count on this? 317 words. Okay, sorry. Wow, ChatGPT is way faster than I was gonna look it up manually on pages. So we need somebody to do 300 words. Here we go, this guy will do 500 words. Oh, that's Japanese though. So you guys, I mean, oh, here we go, perfect. This guy, $10 for 300 words. All right, here we go. This is your guy. Look at this, 5-star reviews, 2,300 reviews. This is really, really good. So anyways, you're gonna continue through here. You're gonna say you're gonna continue here. I'm not gonna place the order, but let's say I did, and maybe I should just do one of these for fun. And then you're gonna send him this script. Hey, please read this script. Boom, he's gonna send you back a very high quality voiceover, like something like, hello, like with an actual good microphone. I don't have a good microphone. All I do, but I don't use it for videos because I don't do this type. But he's gonna send you really, this is important because people, when they meditate, they put on headphones. They want really high quality recording. And then what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna go on some website where you can get, or maybe even on YouTube. There's a YouTube audio library. I'm pretty sure they have already free meditation music on here. No copyright music with vocals. No, we want no vocals. I'm trying to see background music for YouTube. Yeah, maybe on here. Definitely not that one. You want to find, there's got to be some meditation music on YouTube. This is, so if you go to the audio library, music for content creators, this is music you can use on YouTube and you won't get dinged for it. And you don't want to pay, pay for this stuff, guys, because you're already paying 10 bucks per voiceover from this guy, or not him. This dude, no, not him. See, I mean, you got to do what, 5-10 minutes of digging around, but we found somebody. We found somebody to do it. Oh, that was the guy, right? Oh no, that was the guy who only did 100 words. Yeah, we found the guy with 300 words. Anyways. So you gotta sift through here and find relaxing music. Maybe you can even type in here, relaxing. Oh, here we go, calm music. Peace. You gotta type in like relaxing meditation. Do they have meditation music on here? Hopefully they do. Meditation. Ambient music. This one hopefully works, please. Perfect, okay. We found one finally. You guys could use this one. So go to the YouTube audio music library and type in meditation, and then you can look through all these. There's 92 of them. I'm sure some of these will work. So you want to take this, open up iMovie, and you guys know how to use iMovie. You guys know how to edit a video, right? Even if you didn't want to edit the video, you could hire somebody on Fiverr too to do it. Anyways, you take this script, somebody reads it, or guys, you could read this yourself. This is a free way to do it. Get a microphone. I guess you need to pay for a microphone or invest 50 bucks in a microphone. And read this on top of this. Listen. Begin by finding a comfortable seated position, either on the floor or on a chair. Close your eyes gently. So you guys see what I'm doing. Anyways, you piece that together and you title it 5-minute energy cleanse guided meditation. You just want to copy other channels that are doing good and switch up the titles slightly. I mean, this is such a basic thumbnail too. I mean, the thumbnails I don't think matter that much. You could go on here and find a thumbnail guy. I hire guys on thumbnails to do thumbnails all the time, by the way. This guy's a guy I use. I recommend him. He does like $5 thumbnails. So I would hire him to make the thumbnail, hire the other dude to do the voice actor, take this, boom, put in iMovie, and you can just copy and paste this and then go on Google, guys. and do download YouTube to MP3. And that way you can download the audio file. And then that way you take the audio file, put it into iMovie, and put it over. And you saw on the other meditation, they don't even have, like, the whole video is literally just a photo, because you know what the funny thing about meditations are, guys? They don't even have their eyes open. So you could just use a photo like this, the whole video. It's a 15-minute picture. How crazy is that? 89,000 views. This guy, guys,
Begin this meditation.
how many views? 100 million views? You know how much YouTube pays for that? For 1 million views, it's around 10,000 bucks. This channel's probably brought in over $1 million, maybe even more, because they do long videos, 20-minute videos. They're all over like 25-minute videos, so you got ads in there and stuff. This channel's, I wouldn't be surprised, it made $2-3 million. So please, guys, if you want to learn exactly how to do this and more, and join my group chat, everything, I break it all down for you. Again, this is talking from somebody who makes consistently over 10 grand a month on YouTube, on Faceless YouTube channels, and I've built up channels with over from over 1 million subscribers. I got over 1 million on this channel. My other channel, Finance Zone, I got 386K subscribers on this one. I have other channels too, which I dive more into depth there and tell you, go into my finances and everything and give you guys more tips and tricks. But yeah, guys, that's in my opinion how to create a Faceless YouTube channel, and just give you some ideas. But yeah, you can click the link below, join my Faceless YouTube channel program, but start the free trial, and that way you won't get charged until 7 days, and then hopefully you like it and you can join in. But yeah, this is everything I've learned how to do. So thanks so much, guys. You guys are the best. Let me know if you have any questions at all. I'll hop into the comment section. And yeah, join my group down below. I'd love to have you over there. Talk to you soon.